Today's ingredients will be Hot Fever Axe body spray, following with 23 other ones, 9mm Underwood ammo, extreme penetration, lighter fluid, a lighter, and oh, let's not forget, Glock 19. Let's get the show started. Oh, I forgot. I also got a fire extinguisher. Don't worry, it'll be okay. You got me in trouble. Everybody says, why is Rigo eating M&Ms? Don't eat M&Ms no more. I don't let him eat the M&Ms. Okay, safety check, fire extinguishers over there. In case something goes wrong, the fire gets on me or something like that, drop the camera first thing, okay? And then get the fire extinguisher and then just put the fire out. If it's on me and Rigo. No, we need to put the Rigo like far away from here. They can't have the Rigo get on fire. Right, Rigo? Okay. All right, that's good. Let me get Rigo out of here. Rigo, let's go. You gotta move. He doesn't want to leave. Get up, let's go. Get up, let's go. Ready? Okay, make sure you go back, okay? It's gonna explode.
Come and shoot, cabrón! Now!
Okay, go back. All right. My heart is racing. Clear. Hey, there might be some still in there that are not. It smells good. Round 2. Oh, hit this one. Oh boy, it smells wonderful over here. Okay, Rigo, you can come back. You smell that? It smells so good.
Yeah.
Oh man, what an explosion. Okay, I don't even know where to start. There was a huge mushroom cloud on top of us with the fire. I don't know if the camera caught that. Okay, so as you can see, He goes like, this stuff doesn't taste good, I'm not eating him. Alright, so my heart is still racing. You wanna feel my heart? Let's go, it's like pumping really hard.
Really?
Touch it.
Cabrón.
That was scary. Rigo, it's not edible. Don't breed it. Last thing I want is people to comment, Rigo was breeding this. Oh, he sneezed. Well, that's what happens. Okay, so they're kind of spread out all over the place. Let's check some of them out. This one looks like didn't take a hit. I don't know, the top part got melted. Some of them got a hole. They're still really warm right now. The wood got burnt a little bit here. Man, it smells so good. And these are some of those. Okay, we have one that's still good. I can use that. This one got damaged. Some with more holes. What else? Well, I'm not gonna go get all of them. Pretty much most of them got shot or exploded. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Cleanup time.